The delicious, yummy, mouth-watering blueberry delight.
To subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.
Assalamu alaikum. To make this yummy 3-layer blueberry delight, all we need is blueberries, cream cheese, 1 packet stream web, milk, sugar, cornstarch, packet of biscuit, and butter. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to crush some biscuits with a rolling pin. Okay, I'll just crush it. I'm not going to make it powder. I want it little crumbly, so I'm going to make biscuit crumbs. Now I'm adding all the crumbs in my dish, and then I will add 2 tablespoons of melted butter in it, and then I'll mix it well, and then I'll make a bed of the crumbs. This is our first layer of the dessert, that is of biscuit. On another side, to make blueberry paste, take blueberries and put them in a saucepan. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and let them simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar dissolves and blueberry changes its color. When it changes the color, then you need to add cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it well and crush some blueberries and leave them as it is. Once the gel-like consistency is formed, take them out in a bowl and let it cool on room temperature. For second layer of the dessert, I'm using cream whip powder with milk. According to packet instruction, I'm whipping it. There is no need to add sugar if you are using cream whip powder. Otherwise, add some powdered sugar if you are using whipping cream, and whip it until the stiff cake is formed. In the same mixture, I'm adding cream cheese in it, and then I'll whip the cream cheese until it becomes creamy, nice, and fluffy. Now add the cream cheese into the whipping cream and then mix them together until no lumps left. And then we will make the second layer of the dessert with the cream cheese and the whipping cream mixture, and then set them properly in a wet dish. Now for the third and the last layer of the dessert, add all the blueberry mixture and then spread it evenly. Last, I'm going to do some topping with some fresh blueberries and then refrigerate it and serve it cold. Make it for your friends and family. They will surely enjoy the most comforting dessert in all. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.